Episode 2, Avin the Crack, is going to be on the Escort van. How did you make it? How? This is what people want to know. How? How was it done?
You got to lower it down for what hour it's done. How
did you make it?
Cut the front out, welded a new piece back in, done. Just like that.
Perfect.
Basically what I did is I cut from here all the way around there, down there, cut the front chassis out, basically cut everything out bar the front wing, slam pan on the other wing. That was it. And then remade everything again. Front chassis legs, front cross member to hold the steering rack in, rebuilt the tunnel, remade the strut tops, everything. This is all based on that. This is the heart of the beast. We've got a John Reed race engine, 2 litre Vauxhall C20XE on some big throttle bodies, direct head ones.
Gen Vs?
Yep. They got the Simpson stainless manifold on it. Nice bit of flow on her. All dry sumped. Got oil cooler in the front before it returns to the tank in the back. Running our DTA ignition system. It works just lovely. Doing a bit of an oil change on the engine, draining all the dry sump tank, cleaning all the pipes out, putting some new oil in, and then changing the steering arms to shorter ones so we can get a bit more lock on, ready for drifting the Fury. Having some fun.
Are you going to try it outside?
Maybe get persuaded to, yeah. We'll see.
Why are you welding that little thing in there?
So when I have to change the steering arms next, the bolts don't move. Make it easy. Then I have to take the brakes off and all apart.
Here we are in the back. What we got?
So in the back, we've done away with the area for putting stuff in. There is a little bit of space, but instead we've got some strut towers for the coilovers to go up in. We've got some link boxes down in there for the 4-link bars. You can just see the top of them. We go up and have a look underneath. There's a bit of fabricating to get it all to fit in there and work nicely, but yeah, it's all in there and doing the job. This is the oil tank for the dry sump system for the 2 litre Vauxhall up front. It's the petrol tank and the swirl pot and petrol set up here.
So, as Josh pointed out in the first video, it has a Mustang rear axle, the hold, diff.
So Mustang, just got like a spool lock in it, which is basically like a welded, it's just basically a welded diff in it. It's all based on Mark II Escort sort of rally stuff. So you've got your 4-link bars, just got a basic panhard rod of the axle. We got gas coilovers, and then we got some kind of Toyota, can't remember what they come off of, like Toyota brakes on it to work.
Hilux?
Yeah, no, it's like Carina or something.
All the more cons.
Just make it work. A nice Tony Law exhaust system under the car. Got a bit of a recess for the exhaust to go in, but it's still dragging the floor. She's looking a bit beaten under here. It's had many years of abuse.
Let's put a light on it. Or not, maybe not.
Let's not go too mad.
There we go. So the recess, is that obviously not standard? You built that into it, yeah?
Yeah, cause, well, it was front wheel drive, so obviously got a tunnel for the prop to come through. Tunnel for the exhaust, try and keep it out of the way a little bit. Got a 2-piece prop in it. Got a Quafe 60G sequential gearbox. Twin plate. I think it's got a quartermaster clutch on it. And obviously got a dry sump system for the Vauxhall. Some racing bits, 1 pump.
Is the racing bits the blobs of silicone?
It's not funny, mate. You're not allowed to say things like that.
Makes it go faster.
So yeah, even that. So at the front end we got, it's just based on the Mark II Escort. Obviously my brother's welded some chassis legs into it. And then obviously got the Mark II Escort cross member, adjustable bottom arms, Mark II Escort anti-roll bar, anti-dive kit on it. Homemade steering arms with the rose joints on that we've just been modifying. Then we got the billet steering arms onto some gas gold coilovers. And then some lovely AP 4 pots.
Very nice.
Biggest you can get under the 13-inch wheel. It all seems to work alright, to be fair, so. This is the action station in here. We've got the sequential Quafe 60G gearbox in here. And the old fly off handbrake for skidding in. And then I just do a bit of this and kicking these pedals. The job's a good one.
What are you doing?
Bit of priming.
What have you forgotten?
I haven't plugged any of the injectors in.
That's about it for this episode. We'll be back on the next one where we are off to Anglesey for some drifting in the van for Drift Matsuri. Say bye!
Bye!
And what else have you got to do?
Like and subscribe.